Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. Here this first page of settings. Then this list we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Google Wallet and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data, because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.